Welcome back. Now first what we're going to do is create our checkered board. And we got to remember it's going to be 8 by 8. Right? So there's 8 squares by 8 squares. And we're going to use the graph paper and use a ruler. Now you can use it with a pencil to draw lines. You can use a pen. We're going to use a crayon because it's darker and easier to see. So she's counting off. Yeah, counting now 5 boxes. Every 5 she's marking a line. So you do the same thing on your paper. This grid paper, called graph paper, is probably the best paper you can use for making it because it's easier for you to do and to count and to get your lines as straight as possible. We're going to have some leftover piece at the end, 2.5 square, but that's okay. We'll show you how to deal with that later on. So line up your ruler with the first one and then draw a nice dark line straight across. Alright, that's a good job. So we got a couple more lines there. Okay, so we've done that side. Now we've got to do the other side. By 4s. So we're going to do by 4s going up. See, this is a beautiful thing. You can count the little boxes and then you know you're going to be even and then you draw your line straight on the boxes. Okay. This makes the job much easier. Remember this project, you can have some fun doing it with your friends, your brothers and sister, or your parents, or your grandparents. And the fun part is creating your own set and then having hours and hours of fun with it. Okay, so you see, voila, it's done. So the thing is now we've got some extra piece on this side here and that side. So you can either take a scissors that we had and cut it out, alright? You know, the other scissors. Okay, so take a scissors, or you could, you know, you can get your parents to use a cutting board, but the best thing is to use the scissors and cut it out. Use the cutting board. Alright, our demonstrator wants to use the cutting board. Hang on a second. I still think the best route is to use the scissors, and that's what I suggest to everybody. Now we go back to the old-fashioned method of doing a nice clean job with the scissors. Okay, so now we finished our board. Okay, so you can see we've got our checkerboard ready. Alright, we're going to see you in the next video.